Hello, and welcome to DegreeWorks. Please keep in mind that a student's security access differs from that of an advisor. When advising students, we strongly encourage you to sign on to DegreeWorks, allowing access to the features referenced throughout the series of DegreeWorks videos. In this tutorial, we'll go over some advanced features for advisors in DegreeWorks. Upon entering DegreeWorks, the first action you should take is to press the Process New button. This will refresh the audit requirements presented. Audits are updated nightly based on activity that has occurred on a student's academic record the previous day. The last update is reflected in the last refresh field. If no activity has occurred, a new audit is not generated. If activities such as change in degree program, grading, or registration has occurred during the day that you wish to see the activity reflected in the audit before the nightly update, select the Refresh symbol, followed by the Process New button. It may take time to refresh from Banner. The view will default to the Student View with the Audits tab. You can search for a student's V number utilizing the Find symbol in the upper left-hand corner. This feature allows you to search for a new student record or records based on the selected criteria within the audit, without having to re-enter eServices. If multiple records are checked from the return listing of student records and the OK button is pressed, the records checked will then display in the drop-down in the name window. Each student record audit can then be accessed via the drop-down or the right and left arrows appearing above the name field. You have two audit formats identified in the drop-down box. To navigate these views, select a format and then press the View button. The student view displays both completed and remaining requirements, including advising notes. The registration checklist displays only remaining requirements without advising notes. A less detailed version of the transcript is accessible via the Class History link, allowing you to access a student's course transcript record without having to return to eServices. The audit output can be saved as a PDF by selecting the Save as PDF button. Depending on your operating system, you may receive a message noting that the file didn't load. Additionally, the file name may default to a CGI tag that you should change to a PDF. Within the header, you will find entries for matriculation terms and effective catalogs. The matriculation term entry identifies when the student entered the program, and the effective catalogs entry identifies the set of requirements the student is following as outlined in the associated bulletin. Within the degree block of the audit, there are jump links that will navigate you to specific blocks, reducing your scroll time. You can link directly from the degree audit to course descriptions by selecting a still needed course. In addition to the course description, course prerequisites and attributes are called out. Additionally, you can hover over the course link to display the associated course title and credit hours. An asterisk appearing over the course number denotes the prerequisites exist for the course. To add an advising note, we recommend that you utilize the Notes icon appearing as a paper and pencil symbol found in the upper right corner to access the Notes window. You may need to resize the window to see the drop-down to select a predefined note, or simply click on the Choose a Predefined Note entry to display the list. Please note that based on the transparent nature of the advising notes, which display on the audits for students and advisors, it is recommended that you utilize the predefined notes. At the very top of the DegreeWorks display, you will find additional links. Back to Self-Services returns you to eServices. Please note that if you return to eServices after viewing multiple student records in DegreeWorks, you are returned to the initial student record in eServices, not the current student record in DegreeWorks. The FAQ tab returns a list of frequently asked questions. The Help tab will link you to the DegreeWorks webpage. The Print tab will allow you to print an audit or any other tabs you view. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. For more information on DegreeWorks, please check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching and using DegreeWorks.